Perched on the southern edge of the Cyclades archipelago in the Aegean Sea, Santorini is a Greek island renowned for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and dramatic landscapes. From its charming villages perched atop towering cliffs to its crystal-clear waters and volcanic beaches, Santorini offers an enchanting escape that captivates the senses and stirs the soul. The iconic image of Santorini is its crescent-shaped caldera, formed by a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. The island's villages cling to the cliffs overlooking the caldera, their whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches, creating a postcard-perfect scene. Explore the narrow cobblestone streets of Oia, known for its breathtaking sunset views, or wander through the labyrinthine alleys of Phyra, the island's bustling capital. Santorini's volcanic origins are evident in its unique beaches, where black, red, and white sands contrast against the azure waters of the Aegean. Relax on the black sand beaches of Perched and Camari, swim in the crystal-clear waters of Red Beach, or soak up the sun on the white cliffs of Lachata. For a truly memorable experience, embark on a boat tour to the volcanic islets of Enia Kameni and Palea Kameni, where you can swim in the thermal waters of the hot springs. Santorini boasts a rich history that dates back thousands of years, with archaeological sites and ancient ruins scattered across the island. Visit the prehistoric settlement of Akrotiri, often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii, to explore the remarkably preserved ruins of an ancient civilization. Discover the ancient city of Thera, perched atop the Mesa Vuno mountain, or explore the ruins of ancient Greek and Roman settlements at the archaeological site of ancient Thera. Santorini's volcanic soil and unique microclimate produce some of Greece's most distinctive wines, including Acertico, Nicteri, and Vinsanto. Explore the island's vineyards and wineries to sample these local varietals and learn about traditional winemaking techniques. Pair your wine tasting experience with a culinary journey through Santorini's vibrant gastronomic scene, where fresh seafood, sun-ripened produce, and traditional Greek flavors come together to create unforgettable dining experiences. Santorini's legendary sunsets are best enjoyed from the deck of a boat, as the sun dips below the horizon and paints the sky in shades of pink, orange, and gold. Embark on a sunset cruise around the caldera, sipping champagne and watching the world-famous sunset unfold before your eyes. For couples seeking a romantic escape, Santorini offers a plethora of intimate boutique hotels, luxury villas, and cliffside retreats, where you can unwind in privacy and indulge in pampering spa treatments. Santorini's timeless beauty, rich history, and romantic allure make it a destination like no other. Whether exploring ancient ruins, lounging on volcanic beaches, or savoring a glass of local wine as the sun sets over the caldera, Santorini promises an unforgettable journey that will leave you enchanted and longing to return again and again.